Question 46. Always keep an eye on every question, the number. How many times does shape Q, where's Q? We've got B, P, B, Q, fit into shape P? Here's shape P, right. So, so that's B, and that line there is B, and so that, let's get ourselves this one. Can you see there's B going across there, that's B there, and so we'd have to flip that down so it goes like that. So there's one Q, there's another one. Because this is a pentagon, can you see that all of the sides B's are going to be the same? So that's 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 in that one, 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 and what have we got in the middle? Yes, it is another pentagon. And notice that this side, all of these sides are going to be the same size because it will be, because they're all made up of these B's. So there's another 5 in there. That's the sneaky one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5, which is absolutely 30. So there are going to be 30 of these Q triangles in this overall shape. That was quite fun, wasn't it?